this is one of those things that my husband didn't think he needed until he actually started using it. The MANSPOT Manscape Body and Pubic Hair Trimmer has officially replaced his old trimmer. It's gone. What he keeps mentioning is how smooth and easy this one is to use. The ceramic blade head doesn't pull or snag, which was always his biggest complaint with his old trimmers. He also likes that it feels controlled, not harsh or aggressive. The waterproof design is another win. He usually uses in the shower, but it works just as well dry, which makes it flexible depending on his routine that day. And the battery life has been solid, no constant charging or mid-use shutdowns, which is something that always irritated him. From my side, I noticed that he actually sticks with it. There's no frustration, no complaints, and no, this thing doesn't work comments. It's quiet, easy to store, and it doesn't feel like some bulky gadget taking over my bathroom counter. Overall, this is one of those practical grooming tools that just works. It's comfortable, reliable, and thoughtfully designed. And judging by how often he reaches for it, it's clearly earned a permanent spot in his routine. As you can tell here, I have sensitive skin. I'm going to show you using the blade how simple and easy this is. No redness, no irritation occurs. Right when you're done, you can see how much this is getting off. This hasn't bothered my skin. This was easy to clean, easy to use, and I'm sure he wouldn't mind.